alligator snapping by the shore. Snap, 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 can you hear that roar? B is for bear, growling loud and deep. Grr, 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 in the forest they creep. C is for cat, who goes meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 can you hear it now? D is for dog, barking all day long. Woof, 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 let's join in the song. E is for elephant, trumpeting with pride. Toot, 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 with a swing side to side. F is for frog, hopping near the bog. Ribbit, 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 singing with the fog. A to Z, let's make some noise. With animal sounds, we're full of joy. Meow, woof, moo, and quack. Let's go through the alphabet and never look back. G is for goat, bleating on the hill. Ba, 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 munching with a thrill. H is for horse, galloping so fast. Neigh, 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 racing right past. I is for iguana, silent and still, but rustle, rustle, rustle when climbing a hill. J is for jaguar, prowling in the night. Roar, 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 such a powerful sight. K is for kangaroo, hopping all around. Boing, 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 with leaps off the ground. L is for lion, king of the land. Roar, 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 as loud as they can. A to Z, let's make some noise. With animal sounds, we're full of joy. Meow, woof, moo, and quack. Let's go through the alphabet and never look back. M is for monkey, swinging through the trees. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah, playing in the breeze. N is for newt, slithering on the ground. They barely make a sound. O is for owl, hooting in the night. Hoot, 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 with their big eyes bright. P is for pig, rolling in the mud. Oink, 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 splashing with a thud. Q is for quail, chirping something low. Cheep, 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 on the go they go. R is for rabbit, hopping here and there. Hop, 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 a fluffy fur so fair. A to Z, let's make some noise. With animal sounds, we're full of joy. Meow, woof, moo, and quack. Let's go through the alphabet and never look back. S is for sheep, bleating soft and sweet. Ba, 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 dancing on the feet. T is for tiger with a mighty roar. Grr, 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 echoing from the floor. U is for umbrella bird with a song unique. Chirp, 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 it's quite a beak. V is for vulture, soaring through the sky. Caw, 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 flying so high. W is for wolf, howling at the moon. Ahoo, ahoo, under the stars June. X is for Xerus, a squirrel of surprise. Chitter, 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 with clever little eyes. Y is for yak with a deep low moo. Moo, 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 grazing all day through. Z is for zebra with stripes black and white. Neigh, 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 galloping with might. A to Z, we make some noise. With animal sounds, we're full of joy. Meow, woof, moo, and quack. We've gone through the alphabet, no turning back.